Hello guys, welcome back to this Austin Edits channel. And just in case if you are new to this channel, my name is Austin and I do podcasts about various kinds of film and video editing from my favorite movies. So today's video is about an era that I had struggled with a lot of the time, since I don't have any laptop or PC to fix that era. As you guys may know, there is an issue about the GarageBand project files. Even my iPhone and iPad do have the same version of the GarageBand application, and it doesn't work on my iPad when I share the GarageBand project files from my iPhone to my iPad. So when I went to ask Apple, and they said that if we have the same version, it should work, but it doesn't. According to them, if I have a MacBook, this problem will not exist at all. But I don't have a MacBook, so today's video might help you solve this problem if you don't have a MacBook, PC, or laptop. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let me show you how the error is being shown. This is what it looks like, and the thing is that how do we turn this file into this file? Simple. I use this app and it changes the file type from one type to another, and let me show you. So if you don't have the app, don't worry, there will be a link in the description where you can download the application from the App Store. So when you have downloaded the app, open the application. In the opening page, you might see a little bit of ads. All you have to do is to skip that ads, follow the process. First thing first, click the plus icon on the upper right corner of the home page. Then click the files on iCloud Drive and go to the place where your files are located. This is what it's supposed to be, but this is what is happening when there is an error. Choose that file and it will show up right here like this. And what we're gonna do next is to change the file type from .band file to tar or raw file. So the next step is click this button and choose modify file extension. And then delete band and type any tar or raw, but first we will do tar. And click OK. And file will change from 2.band to 2.tar. And what we're gonna do next is to go to unzip file location and click on the file to unzip the file. After unzipping, where we gonna go is to go to GarageBand and locate the files that we have already unzipped, and open the file, and boom, there you go. Simple. There is another way around to solve this problem. It is to change the file type of 2.band to 2.raw. The first one that we have changed is 2.tar, but this time it is 2.raw. And what we're gonna do next is to unzip the file just within the application, and there you go, you have already unzipped. And enter the unzip file and go to media, and you will find the uncompressed WAV audio files. There you go. So the reason why I do this podcast is that 2 weeks ago, my other two friends and I were having a podcast together, and we wanted to have the best quality available to us. We don't have any decent microphone or a studio where we can record our podcast peacefully without background noise. But the only thing available to us is our phones and free applications like GarageBand, and we can't afford paid applications and still don't have the condition to invest. And another thing is that we also don't have paid version of iCloud. So basically we can't use iCloud for long terms. Besides, we are in different cities, so it means that we're having too many limitations. So we use Google Drive for file sharing, and I need WAV uncompressed file format for further adjustments. Normally I can use GarageBand project files and have that files unzipped online by using the zip and zip, which is provided naturally by Google Drive. But once the file exceeds over 200 megabyte, website doesn't allow me to download files larger than 200 megabyte. I spent 7 hours finding apps and websites that can change the file type, like file format .band to any other file format that I can use. And finally I found this app, and now I made this tutorial just in case any of you are having a problem like me and being struggled with. And so if you have any other solution to solve this problem, please let me know in the comment section. And so if you want to check out my other podcast channel, I will link in the description. And if you find this video very helpful, like, subscribe, and share this to those who are having the same problems like us. Peace out. Bye.